Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is FX, and in this video we're going to be going over our weekly outlook for the week, all the trades that we'll be expecting to play out this week. And we have a handful of pairs this week. So let's get straight into the video. So let's go before we start looking at the pairs for this week. Let's go over to my FX book. You guys know I've been on a crazy losing streak the past 2 weeks, and took just one trade last week, and it's this one here, AUD card. I took a loss of the AUD card for $52 and $35. Yeah, it was an A+ setup. I have no complaints whatsoever about the trade. So let me go over to the charts and break down why I took the trade and everything. Okay, over here we have a trade on AUD card, and this was an A+ setup in my book, meaning the weekly was in an uptrend, daily was in an uptrend, and the 4 hour as well had come back into an area of value and had given me my chart pattern. If you look closely over here, you see one bottom, push up, second bottom, and engulfing over here. My entry confirmation. Okay, this was the second trade I took, and I closed out after this big red candle, because this was almost end of the New York session, and I didn't want to hold the loss over. But after this hammer like engulfing kind of hand over here, I had an entry. I used a buy limit somewhere here, and my stop loss was, I think, at this low, just underneath this low, something like this. Look at 18 pips stop loss, yes. And my TP was all the way at the highs for 1 to 3 as usual. But what had happened was the market had made this push down. I don't know if news came out or what happened, but it was very volatile at this point. And immediately it came like into this region here, it was just moving up and down. Spread took me out. Okay, and I didn't like that. I still saw potential in the trade. It was still a good trade. The market had done everything I wanted it to do, and there was the possibility that the market could have closed up, like reversed and still closed above here. So I didn't like that my trade was closed, but my trade was still in play. So after the market had I came and saw that I had been stopped out due to spread, which was crazy. I still had like some 6-7 pips. I don't know why that happened. So as the market was still market pulled back up and was spiking up like within this candle, and I entered again, like put my stop loss at this region for a second entry. But when this market came and closed over here, I cut the trade. I didn't want to carry the loss over to the new week. So yeah, but I had no complaints whatsoever. It was a trade that met all the criteria I needed for it to meet. It was an A+ setup in my book. It's just one of those trades that didn't play out, and there's nothing I can do. It was a nice trade, it just didn't work out. So for this week, I'm still bullish. I still think that this market could push up, and if it does, look at this arrow over here. This is exactly what I've been waiting for: a push up, a retest of this neckline, and I'll be looking for entries to long this market again. The next pair on my list is the AUD-JPY. I had been waiting for this AUD-JPY. Funny enough, I had AUD card and AUD-JPY setting up at the exact same time. I was watching both of them at the exact same time, and they both gave me this engulfing at the same time. Okay, So I put a buy limit over here for AUD JPY because you guys know I don't like to enter the exact close of an engulfing. I like when the market retraces a little. That's why I like the market to get me for a better entry. I put one for AUD JPY and one for AUD CAD, and the one for AUD JPY never got triggered and the market just kept pushing up. So, I can't complain. I don't feel bad. But this would have been a beautiful trade. It looks like it's going to come back to retest these highs. If it was a good trade, but it just shows you. It just goes to show that the exact same setup for both of them. AED JPY looks like it's going to play out, and AED CAD did not. It's all part of trading. You can't complain too much about it. So let us go over the trades that we have for the week. I have quite a handful of pairs today, so let me quickly get into them. AED USD, I'm bullish on AED USD. Market has flipped bullish on the weekly time frame, has flipped bullish on the daily time frame, and is retesting this area of value. I'm waiting here on the 4-hour, and this market is looking like it's going to form a left head and right shoulder. So this is something I'm going to be keeping an eye out for in this coming week. So I'll be looking for longs over here, stop loss underneath the shoulders, maybe something like this, and my TPs all the way to the top, preferably 1 to 3, something like this. This kind of setup is exactly what I'll be looking for in the coming weeks. GBP AUD. I'm actually bearish on GBP AUD. I'm bearish on GBP AUD. Market has high, low, lower high, lower low, and it's back in this area of value. But if you look over here, you see this momentum that the market came into this level with. So on the 4-hour time frame, I'm definitely going to be waiting for a reversal chart pattern. It looked like this wanted to happen last week, but it never quite followed through. It just kept consolidation around this second top. So I'll be waiting for this market to push down, break the neckline, maybe retest, and then I'm looking for shorts on the GBP AUD. Gold. Gold. I am still bullish on gold, but gold is at a 50-50 level right now because gold is still bullish, but it has come back into this level, this support level that pushed this market up, and I'll be anticipating that this level will be used as support again to push. If gold should come down, break below this level and break below this neckline over here, then we'll be in for a short-term sell, bearish trend on gold, maybe down to this level. But the trend is your friend until the end. So on gold, I'm still bullish. I'm going to be anticipating the second bottom to be formed here, then a neckline break to get involved in this gold long trade. GBP NZD just refused to give me money last week. I swear it refused to give me money last week. I've been bearish on GBP NZD. I've been looking for opportunities to get involved with GBP NZD. You see this blue line over here? This blue line simply signifies that as long as the market doesn't break and close above this blue line over here, we are bearish. Now the market came and formed here a beautiful double top, but look at the time. This was Asian session, so I obviously could not get involved with the market. The market melted and came back, and I've just been consolidating in this area here. I'm still bearish on GBP NZD, but I don't think I'm going to be involved just because I don't like this consolidation here. I expected this market to have moved further down, so I'm not going to try to force it or try to get involved in the market even when I'm seeing that there is hesitation. So a better spot to look for entries on GBP NZD is if the market can come down, break this level, retest, then I'll be more confident in looking for shorts to the downside. Euro NZD, same analysis. The market is playing along this support region over here. So the market can come, is bearish on all time from the weekly, daily, are all bearish. So the market can come and take out this low, this support over here, retest. I'll be looking for shorts to the downside. NZD USD. I have been bullish on NZD USD even since last week. The market did not pull down enough into my zone. If this market had come like lower a bit before giving us this sort of price action over here, I definitely would have been long on this pair. But I don't like the way the market just shied away from my zone and just gave us a reversal over here and started pushing to the upside. So I'm not going to chase the markets right now. This week I'm going to wait for the market to break above this level, retest, look for longs further to the upside. NZD card, I'm bullish on NZD card. All time frames are bullish. The weekly, daily, 4-hour time frame is bullish. So I'll be waiting for the market to pull into this level, give us a chart pattern on probably the 1-hour time frame to take it long to the upside. I'm bullish on NZD card. GBP card, I'm also bullish on GBP card. The market has been giving us bullish price action. My Wi-Fi seems to be misbehaving. Hold on, guys. Okay, there we go. Bullish on GBP card that's broken out of this big range that it has been in for the past since July last year. So wait for the market to go back into this level, retest it, reject it, to look for longs to the upside. So I'm bullish on GBP card. AED I'm also bullish on AED but again, I'm expecting the market to pull back into this region to look for bullish rejections in this area of value, push this market to the upside. Euro CHF, I missed a beautiful trade on Euro CHF last week. I missed this trade on Euro CHF. But then again, this candle was a 2 a.m. candle and it closed by 6. Not my best kind of setup, but it was a nice trade. This was a beautiful reversal. This was the evening morning star formation. I taught this in our beginner series. If you haven't watched that, you can check that out. But I missed this trade, and yeah, I'm still bullish on Euro CHF. It would be nice if the market could pull back all the way back down into this level to look for longs. If not, we could just go over the 4-hour and see if the market gives us structure. Maybe comes in here, ranges, breakouts, retest to look for longs. But yeah, all time frames are bullish, and I'm just here to ride the trend on the Euro CHF long. NZD CHF, I'm also bullish on NZD CHF, but there's also a trade that I was looking at, but I didn't take. I would much rather this pair breaks out properly, comes back to retest this level, then look for longs. Right now it's in the middle of this range, and I would not be looking to get involved over here. I'll be looking to get involved at the break and retest of this level. Euro card, I'm long Euro card. In fact, this flag should be blue because it's already at this level. So come Monday or Tuesday, if this market is able to give me my rejection, my chart pattern over here, I'll be looking for longs on Euro card. Here, stop loss under, targeting upside 1 to 3. Yeah, so I'm long on Euro card. NZD JPY, I'm long on NZD JPY. but the market didn't really pull back into this level, which I was expecting to pull into before looking for longs. So right now, what I would much rather do is wait for this market to break out of this level, retest it to look for longs to the upside. GBP JPY. Yeah, I'm long GBP JPY, but same thing with NZD yen. Looking for market didn't give me a convincing pullback into this level. It just came, wicked it, and started pushing up. So right now, looking for a convincing break, retest of this level, and longs to the upside. Euro JPY. Euro JPY is also bullish, but this breakout is not quite enough for me to be looking for longs off this level. I want a more convincing break above, retest, push to the upside. I'm bullish on Euro JPY. GBP USD, I'm bullish as well. You can see the arrow. I'm bullish on GBP USD. So this week I'm going to be waiting for breakouts and retest, continue riding this market to the upside. USD CHF. USD CHF, I was quite bearish on this pair last week. Now, I was bearish not because the market was bearish, but I was bearish because I was expecting the USD crosses to go bullish. Okay, so but I said last week, if the market should come here and reject over here, giving me my entry confirmations, I'll still be willing to take longs off this level. But if you come over to the 4 hour, the market just came and made this kind of like V reversal. I don't really trade that. So yeah, the market has proven to still be bullish. So we do not predict the market, we only try to react to it. So the market is looking bullish on all time frames. The market should break a retest above this resistance over here. I'm looking for longs in this market to keep riding to the upside. AUD/NZD, I'm bearish on AUD/NZD. The market has broken below this higher low structure point. It has broken and closed below it, so the market should retest here and give us rejection. I'll be looking for a selling opportunity in this region to ride this market to the downside. GBP CHF, I'm currently bullish on GBP CHF, and it's obvious why. You can see on the daily time frame we are bullish, on the weekly time frame we are bullish, on the 4 hour time frame we are bullish. So I'm simply just waiting for the market to pull back into an area of value, which is probably here, give us rejection to join the trend to the upside. AUD JPY, I'm bullish on USD JPY. So this week I'll be looking for this market to come into this level, giving rejections to long to the upside. Euro AUD. I'm not sure if this pair should still be on my watch list. I'm still bearish on Euro AUD, but it has kind of formed this little like double bottom over here and it's come back up into this region. So this week, if it comes and it gives me the appropriate entries over here, I'm still going to be looking to try and short this market, because we are still bullish on the day. We are still bearish on the daily and bearish on the weekly time frames. So if it gives me the appropriate rejections over here on the 4 hour time frame, I'm still going to be looking to take this market short to the downside. CAD JPY, I'm bullish on CAD JPY, but I need a more convincing breakout to test to look for longs to the upside. So yeah, I'm bullish on CAD JPY. I think that is all the pair I'm going to be covering for the FX section. Yeah, the rest are not really interesting to me. Let's go over the indices. I spoke about the indices pair on our last video, and I said the NAS and the S&P 500 were my favorites, and they played out quite well. The NAS came back into this level, rejected, and is pushing up. So this week, what am I going to be expecting? The market is bullish on all time frames. I'm expecting this market to keep going to the upside, probably break and retest this level to look for longs, or it could also pull back into this level and I'll still be looking for longs on the last 100 because it is bullish on the daily, bullish on the weekly. Let me just quickly show you. Bullish on the daily and the weekly. So these are the kinds of markets I like to look at. So the market will be looking to make this retracement. I don't know, but since it's bullish, I'm going to be waiting for the market at an area of value here or possibly here to look for longs to the upside. Better still, if the market should come, take out this high retest, we'll still be looking for longs over here. So the market is bullish and we're just going to be looking to join the market to the upside. Also, S&P 500, we also spoke about this pair in our last video, and the market came back into this level perfectly, rejected, and is pushing up. So this week, the market can come back into this level again, maybe form a double bottom, still be looking for longs to the upside. Since all the higher time frames are bullish, I'm only going to be looking for buys on this pair. US 30 is not really interesting. It didn't really break out last week like the rest pairs, but it's back at this level of support over here. So over here on the 4-hour time frame, and what you notice is, look at this momentum it came into this level with. So I'm going to be waiting for a clear 4-hour double bottom, possibly even a break of the neckline to get involved in this trade, because the bearish momentum is here and I would like to see it slow down and have a change in direction before looking to get involved in the US 30. Let's go to crypto, Bitcoin. I spoke about Bitcoin last week and I will show you guys something very clean. About this level, I spoke about this level to the T. I said if Bitcoin should have a pullback into this level and give us a chart pattern, which was the double bottom, I literally said this verbatim in the last video, that this would be a beautiful place to buy Bitcoin to the upside, and that was exactly what it did. Came over here, rejected one bottom, second bottom, engulfing. Entries could have been here, stop loss underneath the double bottom, and target all the way up. But that was last week's analysis, and what do I expect from Bitcoin this week? Bitcoin is currently bullish on daily. On the weekly, let's see. Yeah, I expect Bitcoin to get back to this 72,686 region. I expect Bitcoin to get back to this 72,686 region. The market has retested this level. So currently, Bitcoin is still bullish. If you're not in the trade right now, we are at the middle of no man's land. I would not advise you to get involved in trade right now. But Bitcoin is bullish and I expect it at the 72,686 level. Whew. So that's going to be all the pairs I'm going to be covering today. We're still in the losing streak. It's tiring, but hopefully I'm able to work myself out of these losing periods and get back into catching those big winners. Like I said before, I've managed my risk. I've cut down my risk per trade. I'm now risking 0.5% to try to like give myself a little bit more buffer. So when I get back into those big wins, I increase the risk back to the normal 1% and possibly even higher when I get back into the flow of catching the big trades. So yeah, that's going to be all for this video. Do well to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video with your trader friends and family. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye for now.